The lithium industry is one that many claim is on the verge of a price explosion. With increasing momentum in the shift towards electric vehicles, the metal lithium continues to see an increase in demand. Analysts point out that demand will continue to outweigh available supply right through 2030. Moreover, with sky-high rocketing oil prices, and the wider trend towards sustainable practices, many governments have been actively supporting the push toward electric vehicles. These conditions have continued to bring the lithium industry under the spotlight, and thus present a ripe opportunity for those looking to add a high-growth class of stock to their overall portfolio. In this video, we present the 5 best stocks of companies situated within the lithium industry. These options would allow you to gain from the rising value of this essential commodity, that will play a tremendous role in the future. We begin our list with the stock of the largest publicly traded Chilean company, Sociedad Quimica y Minera de Chile S.A. The stock is more commonly referred to as SQM, which is also its trade ticker. The company specializes in the low-cost production of fertilizer components such as nitrates, iodine, and most importantly, lithium. Its lithium segment alone had delivered 40% of its revenue for the financial period of 2021. Sales by SQM in lithium, and its various derivatives had jumped by 20% in the final quarter of 2021, on a year-on-year basis. This indicates the company's focus on this high-demand metal, which continues to increase in importance throughout subsequent years. The increase in lithium prices in the global markets continues to enhance SQM's earnings by a considerable margin, much to the delight of its shareholders. In the first quarter of 2022, analysts expected a quarterly EPS figure of $1.40. The company crushed this estimate by delivering earnings of $2.80 per share. We believe these growth prospects of the stock are a major green flag for any investor. Moreover, the diversity in its business segments enhances its financial sustainability through an overall risk reduction. The company also appears to have an appetite for expansion in the lithium sphere, having recognized its future potential. Whereas its focus had primarily been on lithium carbonate, it has invested in the Mount Holland lithium project in Australia. The move seeks to strengthen the company's capability to supply lithium hydroxide to the global market. The second stock on our list is the American chemical manufacturer, Albemarle Corporation, which trades under the ticker ALB. From its 3 business segments of lithium, bromine, and catalysts, ALB's lithium segment remains the strongest by far. In 2021, lithium revenue accounted for 42% of the company's total sales volume. The company had typically relied upon a fixed contract model for lithium sales, but is committed to transitioning to a variable contract model. This enhances its growth prospects, given the rising demand for lithium anticipated throughout the next decade. These pricing trends make such a business strategy extremely advantageous to ALB, along with its shareholders. With facilities in the US, Australia, Germany, Chile, China, and Taiwan, the company truly has a strong geographic presence, which delivers it a substantial supply chain and logistical edge over its competitors. ALB has indicated its ambitions to up its lithium production capacity from 88 kilotons to 200 kilotons by 2025. If investors are looking for a lithium stock of a well-established player in the lithium industry, with a robust balance sheet, there hardly comes a better option than ALB. The company has delivered profits in all of the last 10 years, with a consistent dividend increase since 1992. Before we proceed to the next stock on our list, we hope the options presented in this video so far have been insightful. If the list has proven beneficial to you so far, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification. Furthermore, we also offer a morning newsletter to our email subscribers. You will get an overview of key earnings reports, recent insider transactions, analyst upgrades, and downgrades. To take advantage of this offer, you can find the link in the description box. If the list has proven beneficial to you so far, we would appreciate you clicking on the like button to show your support. Up next, we present the emerging lithium champion from the USA, Livent Corporation, which trades under the ticker LTHM. Now, you might be wondering what a young company like Livent is doing on our list, that has a market capitalization of a mere $4 billion, and was founded as recent as in 2018. The answer is simple: cost leadership. Livent delivers lithium derivatives at relatively low costs in comparison to the wider industry. This adds to the financial sustainability of the company, and points to wider profit margins amidst the increasing lithium pricing trends. Additionally, Livent also holds the flexibility of producing both derivative products, lithium carbonate as well as lithium hydroxide. For a young market player such as Livent, these attributes collectively point to high growth within the coming years. This growth is evident in the company's earnings, which have been consecutively accelerating each quarter. In the first quarter of 2022, the company showcased a 56% revenue climb from the prior year's comparable quarter. This expansion further reflects in the company's broader market strategy, through an increase in its production facilities in the Argentinian region. Livent projects its 20 kiloton annual production capacity to climb up to 100 kilotons by 2030. Investing in the stock now would yield rocketing growth, until the company exponentially expands its capacity. The fourth stock on our list is the Canadian explorer and developer of lithium deposits, SGML Lithium Corporation, which trades under the ticker SGML. The company is presently working on the development of its Brazilian hard rock lithium deposit, which is one that is truly world-class. The project holds high-grade lithium spodumene with impressive levels of purity. SGML Lithium fully owns the project, which has an estimated mineral resource of an impressive 59 megatons. Based on these numbers alone, the site is the largest lithium deposit in the entire Western Hemisphere. In the wake of the surging demand, likely to continue rising throughout the next decade and beyond, having full ownership of the project significantly enhances growth potential for the company. There are a number of additional reasons as to why we feel that SGML Lithium deserves a spot on this list. For one, the company's strategic partnership with the Japanese Mitsui & Company Limited delivers it a significant competitive edge over the wider industry. Mitsui would facilitate logistics, global marketing, as well as subsequent mineral development. Additionally, SGML Lithium holds a significant financial advantage, which is its low-interest funding of $90 million for Stage 1 of its development project. This arrangement significantly enhances the rate of return for shareholders, which could explain the impressive 230% price climb in the last year alone. The last stock on our list, but certainly not the least, is the U.S. exploration stage company, Piedmont Lithium Inc., which trades under the ticker PLL. The company has complete ownership of the Carolina Lithium Project, which exceeds 3,100 acres. The company undertook a series of high-potential acquisitions in 2021 of companies that hold lithium assets in North America, Australia as well as in Ghana. Given that the company has been setting itself up for high growth for the oncoming favorable conditions for the lithium industry, the stock holds immense promise. In addition to the high growth potential PLL holds, there is a unique advantage that is associated with its stock. Its well-timed acquisitions and strategic investments have set the company up as a future lithium conglomerate following its high growth. By 2023, Piedmont expects robust cash flows from its Ghana and Canada-based subsidiaries. This growth will only accelerate upon successful development of the Carolina project. That's all from us in this video. We hope the insight we aim to deliver has proven valuable to you, and would allow you to ride the growth wave that the lithium industry anticipates experiencing this decade. We would love to hear your feedback about our list in the comments below. To gain a deeper insight into different stocks that are fit for various investment strategies, be sure to check out our website, stockstelegraph.com.